Hello, David here, and the project for today is to announce my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. It's been a long time to get the 5,000 subscribers. When I first started the channel, I felt that even getting 50 subscribers was a big deal for me. So I really appreciate your views and your subscriptions. It means a whole lot to me. And I've compiled some items I'm going to give away. Since most of my videos are centered around the Ford Contour with repair and maintenance, I have 47 videos related to the Ford Contour. Of course, my channel is really related to all kinds of repairs. My goal is to educate the youth and teach them how to become self-sufficient and independent so they could do their own work and not have to rely on other people. Of course, I got people of all ages and all walks of life that watch my videos. Many of them don't even subscribe. They just use it for reference, and I'm cool with that. If they subscribe, that's even better. Let's take a look at what we have. Okay, let's go through this stuff. This is something that would be useful on your desk. Paper clips and a paper clip holder. Army ROTC. I bet you can't see that. Let's open that up. It's an Army ROTC mug. I still can't see it. It's gold on black. There's a lot of reflection there. Anyway, you're going to have to take my word for it. Corkscrew for your wine bottles. Of course, after a day of working in the garage, you want to relax with a bottle of wine, maybe 2 bottles of wine. Ford Sales Manual, sales brochure from 1997. And you'll never guess what's in there. Yeah, Ford Contour. This had barely been handled. It's in new condition. Here's one from 1996, also barely handled. Got this from the auto show and I just filed it away in the file cabinet. Taurus, Mustang, T-Bird, the Probe, Escort, Crown Vic. Wait a minute, where's the Contour? I know it's in here. There we go. Oil filter. This won't fit the 4-cylinder. This will be for the 2.5 liter V6. Napa number 1372. I have an extra turn signal stock. You never know when you're going to need one of these things. And there's a part number on it. Gaskets for the lower intake manifold. Never been used. And they have a Haynes shop manual. Also got some printouts from another shop manual. Might be of some use for some engine work. What's that? Don't need that. Okay, the rules are going to be that since it's Ford Contour related, I'd like to see a picture of your Contour. So send an email to davidgpo@msn.com. I'll need your name and address, and well, I don't need your address off the bat. If you're chosen, I could get your address later, but drop me an email, let me know what your car looks like. Give me some constructive criticism on my channel. I'd sure appreciate that. Let's keep it to residents within the 50 United States. And let's close it out on midnight of July 4. So I'll make a decision on July 5. And of course, that's the year 2023. That's it. Don't forget to send your request to me by email. Thanks for watching. Bye now.